Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for a healthier and happier life. Today we are talking about the benefits of taking regular breaks throughout the day. We all have busy lives and it's easy to get caught up in the daily grind, but taking regular breaks can actually help us be more productive and feel better overall. So, why is taking breaks so important? Well, there are several benefits. Firstly, breaks help to reduce stress and prevent burnout. When we're working non-stop for hours on end, our stress levels can rise and we can start to feel overwhelmed. Taking regular breaks can help to reset our stress levels and prevent us from reaching a breaking point. Secondly, breaks can help to boost our productivity. This might sound counterintuitive, but taking regular breaks can actually help us get more done. When we're working for long periods of time without a break, our attention can start to wander and our productivity can suffer. By taking short breaks throughout the day, we can recharge our batteries and come back to our work with renewed focus. Thirdly, taking breaks can be good for our physical health. Sitting for long periods of time can be bad for our posture and our overall health. By taking breaks and moving around, we can help to prevent aches and pains and improve our overall health. So, now that we know why taking breaks is important, how can we incorporate them into our daily routine? Well, here are a few tips. Firstly, schedule your breaks. Set a timer or an alarm to remind you to take a break every hour or so. This will help you to be more mindful of your time and prevent you from getting caught up in your work. Secondly, use your breaks wisely. Use this time to do something that relaxes you or helps you recharge. This could be anything from taking a short walk, doing some stretches, or even just closing your eyes and taking a few deep breaths. Thirdly, disconnect from technology during your breaks. It's easy to get caught up in social media or emails during our breaks, but this can actually be counterproductive. Try to disconnect from technology and focus on something else for a few minutes. So, there you have it, the benefits of taking regular breaks throughout the day. Remember, taking breaks can help to reduce stress, boost productivity, and improve your overall health. So, schedule your breaks, use them wisely, and disconnect from technology. Your mind and body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. And we will see you next time with more tips and tricks for a healthier and happier life.